they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Spiritualist be in suits. Hey, please don't.
Don't worry. I am a digital spiritualist. You call high tech. Those pastors you see around, they all come to me. And they are all in suits. You can sit down.
Thank you, Nana.
What can I do for you, my ladies?
Nana, please, my friend here, Gloria, she needs your help, please, Nana.
What does she need?
Gloria, tell him everything.
Nana, please, a certain man is killing me softly. I have done all what I can do to catch him, but he seems not to be attracted.
Is he rich?
Yes.
If he's rich, then I will help you to get his attention. But it will cost you.
Nana, he is rich. Otherwise, I wouldn't have wasted my time on him. Yes, I wouldn't waste my time on him, Nana.
Good. Do you have a mobile phone?
Yes, Nana.
Give it to me. I will do something. Come for it tomorrow. And anyone that you will call on this phone will do whatever you want for you.
How much am I paying?
Oh, there's no charge to be paid. But after it has worked for you successfully, come and show your appreciation.
Thank you very much, Nana.
Don't mention. Don't mention.
Nana, please take this $200 for some cocoa.
Okay. Put it down. Then you can go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nana.
Don't mention.
Thank you very much.
This is high-tech, ladies. $200.
Yes. Tell me, how is this man treating you? Ama, thanks for your advice. Oh, Tria Papas. I mean, in dollars. You don't mean it. Hey! I'm happy for you. Look, I told you that boy is useless. Never entertain him again. You see, you've not been with this man for long, but I can see you've started putting on weight. Let me look at you. 10. Hey, I envy you, Papa. That's him.
Oh, sure?
Yeah, Mama, I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay, alright.
Ivy! Yeah, come. But don't forget to use condom. Why? Or are you ready to carry a baby? Condom is out of the question. What? He says if I'm able to carry his baby, he would marry me immediately.
This girl thinks she's enjoying.
She
just happened to be one of the victims. Beware. You are my next victim.
I know make your stomach like poppy.
Have your wine.
This wine is exotic.
Hi.
Where did you get it from?
Honorable.
No.
From Urachiba. That boy cannot afford this wine.
Broke boy. Guess who it might be?
From your uncle, I guess.
Yeah? Oh! So he's in town. Okay. When are we finally going to meet him? Okay. Who has units on her phone? I'll call him right now. You do? Okay. What is it? Okay. Hello? Uncle, it's me, Bennett. My friends are trying to meet you in person. Oh, you're in a meeting now. Oh, okay. Alright. Bye. He's in a family meeting now.
I heard it.
But he said he's going to meet us tomorrow in my house. Good! Hey! Tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow comes soon, so I don't have a problem. So you finally get to meet him? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What are we going to do from here? You're crazy. So, where is the road to?
Good evening, Ivy.
Hi, Sonny. Can I offer you a seat?
Well, if we offer us one, we won't refuse it, you know. Thank you, Ivy.
Be a lady and offer me a seat too.
Hey, Cratchy. If you cannot stand and talk, you can leave.
I'm here to apologize on behalf of Tito, my friend. He has accepted his faults. He has accepted everything he did. He's wrong, so please forgive him.
Sonny,
Okay.
with all due respect, I don't want to discuss anything concerning this boy.
Ivy, don't go this far. He has accepted his faults. What else? Please.
I know him very well. If I knew you were coming to plead on his behalf, I wouldn't have even offered you a seat.
Look, Ivy, give him another chance. Give him one more chance. And he will never, never misbehave again.
Okay. Sonny, I don't want to discuss this issue. I mean, it is over between Tito and I.
No, Tito. I've done my best. But no, my best is not enough. Can I do? Right, let's go.
Sonny, can I see you for a minute? I don't want you to be disappointed.
Okay.
I will agree, but on one condition.
What is it? He has no choice.
Well, my brother is back from the States and wants to help me. I don't want to do anything to jeopardize the chances of benefiting from him.
Okay.
He will not visit me until I invite him to. If he will agree,
Yeah.
fine. I will give him a second chance.
Is that all?
Sure.
Fine. I agree, okay? I will explain everything to him, okay? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right. I'm telling you, Charlie. I'm passing fine. Great African American women.
Hi. Actually, this is my friend. This is Nana, Kiwi. And this is Gloria. Uncle Larry, he just came down from the States.
You know what? I'll take you out. I'd like to take you out sometime, huh?
I liked your comment with your wife. Where is she?
Oh, she had a rather tight schedule, so she couldn't make the trip.
Then you're going to feel lonely.
You can't say that. I'll manage. I'll try.
Uncle Larry, how does it feel like to be married to a wife? Hey, fairness. Is that your business? Uncle, don't mind her. Can we please go out now?
Don't worry. Sometime later, I have plenty of time to stay. All right? Okay. Meanwhile, enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your stay.
Okay. Uncle, we have something doing that, so we'll get back to you.
No problem.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
All right.
Okay.
Interesting. Well, a small world. Maya Angelo.
Very few. Sad light. Is it okay if we stop here for a while?
Casey, darling,
Yes, my dear.
why do you insist on not using condom?
Why? Do you think I have a disease that I might pass it on to you?
Oh no, but I don't want to get pregnant.
Sweetheart, I've been married for 8 years now without a child. And if you are able to give me a child, I will marry you.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Do I sound like I'm joking? My wife is my problem, and I will handle it. You know what? I'm going to take you on a 2 weeks vacation.
Sure.
Yes. You see a resort, what do you think?
Then darling, I need to do some preparations fast. And by the time we come back, I'll be your baby.
Wonderful.
sorry.
You never seen it?
Yeah, I think Oh yeah, the minister.
Okay. Yes, man.
Yeah, your dad. Yeah. Your dad.
I don't know what you're saying. Jimmy, my father tells a lot about you. I think he likes you.
You think so?
Sure. He always talk about you.
Nora, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Nora, it's like I mean, Nora, I'm falling in love with you.
You what? Falling in love with me? You know, I'll have to discuss it with my mother first.
Nora, please.
Yen to Boisier, Tidia Woya Biana Botre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done, she will be a Huabre. So Binima will be tray, Fesajina Midi Sebia one emre, the Jai said, Walk remember to pray, and I could see Comeko for Johonaya. You cannot want our pantiadi, the other so would not honor she and now she has so who you not going to bet your cratchy, Baba so cram my whoa, so when you
life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.